Hi everyone, my name is Shikha. I'm an investment professional and I have been associated with Geeta for about 10 months now. Um, so I always had this inclination towards Adhyatma, spiritualism, but I don't think I really understood the meaning of it. I did try searching through several sources, and what it did to me was confuse me further, and it kind of things contradicted each other a lot. So I never really got a real understanding. I couldn't get deeper into it, but incidentally once I came across one of the videos of Acharyaji, and somehow it really appealed to me. I found a lot of clarity and simplicity in that, in what Acharyaji was saying, and it kind of piqued my interest. I started hearing him more. I think I just watched a few videos, and then I thought that I really wanted to get deeper into Gita, so I called up the foundation. And the whole point of view with which I called was that I wanted to study Gita like a program. But after I attended the first session, I realized it is not about reading and studying it. Rather, it's about imbibing it in your life. And this is what Acharyaji was teaching through his sessions. And I realized the way the whole program of the community has been structured is to help you implement those learnings and use them, make it a part of your life. So I continued, participating in these sessions, and slowly I realized that there were a lot of changes that started happening in my life. First of all, the preconditioning that I always had is everything that happened with me, all the pain that I was going through was because of the situation that I was in. But what Acharyaji's session did to me is that it helped me take responsibility for it and made me understand that everything that is happening with me is a result of my own choices that I have made so far, and my choices will not change until I change. So it made me dig deeper. It made me go into reflection of everything that I was doing, become an observer to myself,